but we're gonna do a quesadilla with this. So this is a one I'm gonna use. I'm gonna shred this one right now. But the actual bomb pretty good. Broth even better. Look at it's easy shredding. Look at that. This is perfect. So if you're gonna do your quesadilla, we're gonna do our quesadilla. I'm gonna show you how to do the quesadilla my way, right? We're gonna dip this in here. You guys can see 2 tips, all right? Dip it in there completely. Soak it in there. Get that juice going. All right, we're gonna take that one over to the grill now. So let's go ahead and do that. Take it over to the grill. So this one directly to the grill. Woo, hot. This is going. Oaxacan cheese. All right. Then we're gonna go ahead and put all the meats in there. All right. Once we get all the meats, we're gonna fold it. All right. I was able to recover, save some of it, but you know, crispy, nice and clean. If I had a grill, it would have been easier, longer grill, but it's morning right now. It's breakfast. This is actually breakfast, to be honest with you, for me. But it's good for anything. So we're gonna take it out, cook real quick. Ooh. Look at the meat falling apart already too. Put it in there. And that's it. That's all she wrote. Let's go ahead and turn this off. Let's check it out. All right, because it is consommé, you could have the dipping one, or if you want, just grab the juice and throw a little bit of juice everywhere, and that's it. That's how she wrote. Let's cut it in pieces. Let's cut it in half. Okay, so we're gonna do cilantro and onions, but today we're just gonna eat it like as is right now. Just show you guys how beautiful it looks with birria. So that's what we want. And look at the meat, it's tender, really tender. It falls apart. Right. The Oaxacan cheese is super cheesy. So it just needs the onions and the cilantro. And that's it. Look at that. It's a little soggy because of the sauce, but it's tender on one side, harder on the other side.